Hello there. Welcome back to MP Trust Treats TV with me, Alicia Michelle, and today I'm talking to you about the ChocoLIT Oh So Pretty Paisley My Best Hair Kit. So, this is a ChocoLIT bonnet. If you are unfamiliar with with solid color bonnets, this is ChocoLIT, like ChocoLIT, because it's lit. Do people still say lit? So, this is lit, ChocoLIT. And it comes with the Oh So Pretty Paisley scarf. It has like brown and tan, little orange. So pretty. It's such a pretty scarf. Unfortunately, it is only available with this My Best Hair Kit. So you cannot buy this scarf alone. So if you're unfamiliar with our My Best Hair Kits, they are everything you need to have every day be your most amazing hair day. You will transform how you sleep, your nightly hair routine, your hair, your daily hair routine, all that stuff. So it comes with a bonnet, a scrunchie, a medium-sized scrunchie, and a scarf. And you can use, you can sleep with your scarf. You can wear your scarf outside during the day. You can use the bonnet and the scarf both. You can use the scarf to cover your pillow, so you're not sleeping on a cotton pillow. You can use the scarf to cover your headrest, so when you're driving, your hair doesn't get frizzy. So many options. The options are endless with the My Best Hair Kit. So it is available in the 3 adult sizes. That's regular, medium, and BAB. And it does come with the option of the adjustable drawstring. Unfortunately, I'm only going to have 4 of these available. So if you want one, you better get it before it's gone. So again, this is the ChocoLIT Oh So Pretty My Best Hair Kit. It does come with the option to be scented with our lavender Sleeping Beauty. Actually, it's no longer Sleeping Beauty. The Tranquility by MP Trust Treats spray. And it also comes with a satin storage bag, so you can store your treats when you are not using them. So it is available at mptrusttreats.com. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me an email at info@mptrusttreats. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and to the MP Trust Treats channel, so you can be updated on what's new at MP Trust Treats, so you can know the latest and greatest that goes on at MP Trust Treats. Thank you so much for watching. Love ya.